In this video, I will show you how to use your remote and dimmer that comes complementary with all custom neon signs. Here we have a custom neon sign. You will need to plug in your dimmer, which is the little silver box, or if you have an outdoor sign, it will be a little black box in between the power cord and the adapter, just like this picture. An important point to note before we begin is that your dimmer box must be in clear range of the remote, and placing the dimmer behind furniture or a wall could impact its ability to receive a signal from the remote. Once your sign is plugged in, you can switch your sign on and off using the power button at the top. The green button allows you to turn the sign on, and the red button allows you to turn your sign off. To change the brightness of your sign, you can use the blue percentage buttons, which allow you to set your sign at a certain brightness. Starting with 10%, you can select the brightness level at intervals of 10 up to 100%. We recommend setting your sign at 10 to 20% if it's going to be used as a backdrop in images. This remote offers a range of flashing, pulsing and flickering options. To switch between these options, with this remote, press the mode buttons. The plus symbol will allow you to skip to the next mode, and the minus symbol will allow you to return to the previous modes. You can adjust the speed of these modes by using the speed buttons. Pressing the light button at any time will return your sign to 100% brightness in static mode. The 5, 10, 30 and 60 green buttons at the bottom of the remote allow you to set a timer for how long you would like the sign to remain on. And that is how you use the custom neon remote and dimmer. If you have any questions, please reach out to your neon designer or our support team and we will be happy to help.